Tired of group projects feeling more like group struggles? Let's transform the chaos into collaborative coding harmony using GitHub. First things first, let's talk branching. Think of branches as parallel universes for your code. Start by creating a develop branch from main. This is where most of your feature work will merge into. For each new feature or bug fix, create a new branch from develop. Name it something descriptive like feature, new login, or bug fix. Type homage. This keeps your code organized. Now, after you have done your work in your branch, it's time to create a pull request, or PR. When you're ready to merge your code, open a pull request from your feature branch to the develop branch. This alerts your team to review your changes. Your team will review your code for errors and general best practices. Team members can add comments and request changes before merging. Use the issue tracker to assign tasks, track progress, and document bugs. Create detailed issues with clear descriptions, assign them to specific team members, and label them to categorize the work. Move issues across columns as you complete tasks, helping your team track progress in real time. Remember to commit frequently and write clear commit messages describing your changes. This helps others understand the evolution of your code and makes it easier to revert changes if needed. Consistent commits make life easier. Last but not least, communicate. Use your team's preferred method, be it Slack, Discord, or even GitHub's discussions, to keep everyone in the loop. Address questions, provide updates, and discuss design decisions openly and frequently.